Iran is under intense economic strain. On Monday, Iranians took to the streets in Tehran and several other cities protesting runaway inflation and the sudden collapse of the national currency. Markets are rattled, household budgets are stretched to breaking point. The trigger is the Iranian rial, which has fallen to a record low against the US dollar, wiping out savings and driving up the cost of everyday essentials. So what exactly is happening? On Sunday, Iran's currency plunged to around 1.42 million rials to the US dollar on the open market. By Monday, it recovered slightly to about 1.38 million, but the damage was already done. To put that into perspective, when Iran signed the 2015 nuclear deal, the rial traded at roughly 32,000 to the dollar. This collapse has sent prices of basic goods soaring and erased years of household savings almost overnight. The crisis has already claimed a major casualty. Iran's central bank governor, Mohammad Reza Farzin, resigned on Monday after weeks of mounting pressure. The government has also held emergency meetings on currency stability, trade, and public welfare. But on the streets, patience is wearing thin. The numbers explain the anger. Official data shows inflation at 42.2% in December. Food prices have jumped 72% year-on-year. Healthcare and medical costs are up 50%. Critics warn Iran may be inching toward hyperinflation. Recent changes to fuel pricing and reports of higher taxes in the new financial year, starting 21st March, have only fueled public anxiety. But why is the economy under strain? Experts say Iran's economic stress is the result of long-standing structural problems and external pressure. Years of policy missteps and a tightly controlled economy have limited growth and flexibility. International sanctions continue to choke Iran's economy and oil revenues. More recently, regional tensions with Israel have added to uncertainty, forcing the government to lean on domestic banks and further unsettling markets. President Pezeshkian has promised reforms to protect purchasing power and call for dialogue with protesters. But Iran has been here before. Iran has experienced repeated waves of protests fueled by economic woes, drought, and other grievances since 2017. Whether this unrest fades or spreads will depend on how quickly the government can act and restore confidence in the economy. Until then, the streets remain tense. Follow Business Standard for more such explainers.